Welcome back to Play Next, and today we're flying our brand new DIY RC jet. This is like a new version from our last one, so let's see if this one will fly. Quick recap, our last two DIY RC jet flights were a big leap forward. We learned a ton, and I used that to build a much improved design. One major issue was the center of gravity, so I stretched the nose to push the battery forward, shifting the CG where it needed to be. While redesigning the body, I also cut unnecessary weight from the frame to boost performance and aerodynamics. Another issue that stood out was terrible roll authority. Turns were sluggish, especially in the last flight. To fix that, I added larger rudders and beefed up the ailerons for sharper control. I also tested new EDF nozzle designs. Turns out going wider gave us nearly 30% more thrust. With all that done, let's see if this new jet can finally deliver.
Sexy.
Right.
Alright, so remember to just
Up, down.
keep everything simple. Literally just get altitude. That's literally it. Once you have altitude, you can, even if you stall, you'll be able to catch
Let's
it.
get as much runner as possible. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was strong.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Altitude, slow and steady, slow and steady.
Okay, landing gear in.
Oh my god.
Yo, we're flying.
Dude.
But it's sick. Yo, landing gear in, by the way.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's actually flying good.
Alright, don't stall.
Yeah.
David.
Yo! David! We made a jet!
We have a jet that's flying.
Yo!
Dude!
Oh my
Dude.
god! This is fucking insane.
Yeah, do one flyby and land,
Yo,
remember?
it's just everything is so sensitive that I have to like barely tap controls.
Alright, start thinking about landing, yeah. How do you want to do this?
Okay.
Keep speed up, definitely. It does look like it's kind of wobbly.
Yeah, it's very, okay, I'm dropping gears. You know, these gears? They just
Oh
extended.
my god.
Okay, I'm coming in for landing.
Take your time. Don't bring in too fast.
Yeah.
I have to just like pull up.
You know, I landed in the grass. Probably.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Just bring it down smooth. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude!
Oh my god! Oh my god, let's go! Wait, we just did a full jet flight.
Okay, wait.
Wait.
Dude, and you let.
Okay, but it did break the nose, but who gives a shit? It's incredible.
There's no way. I cannot believe
We
it.
waited 3 years. We thought it was gonna crash in the first turn, just like fucking explode. It was in control too.
Yeah.
No, the only thing is that like in turns, like I'd barely tap, and it'll just like shift so much. But like it was such a, dude, I think I can repair that and get a second flight in. So this is clearly a huge success, and if you want to see us add missiles to the jet, make sure you like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.